Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas, TTI Incorporated, a Berkshire Hathaway company, is the world's leading specialty distributor of connectors, passive components, discrete semiconductors, and electromechanical devices. Founded in 1971 to supply resistors to military and aerospace customers, the company today has over 100 sales locations and 13 major distribution centers around the world. While TTI continues to be the leading global distributor for passive components, connectors have been the fastest growing product line over the past decade. TTI began selling circular connectors to defense and aviation customers in the 1980s. Experiencing rapid growth, they soon established a value-added connector assembly operation to provide literally hundreds of thousands of part numbers on a build-to-order basis using on-hand components. Custom manufacturing, coupled with a high-service, low-turn inventory model, has propelled TTI to be one of the largest distributors of circular connectors in the world. TTI currently has connector value-added operations in Texas and in Germany. Each of these operations are qualified and certified to various government and customer specifications and standards. Sales of these products continue to lead the company's growth, going far beyond the defense and aviation markets to customers in many harsh environment applications in the industrial, energy, and transportation markets. All TTI locations and assembly operations are qualified to ISO 9001, 2008, and AS 9100C standards, ensuring consistent quality, outstanding service levels, and extraordinary customer experience. For the right parts at the right time in the right place, visit TTI at ttiinc.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.